Hello, fifth grade. Back for some more math. Today we are going to kind of go through the second half of week three's math. That is looking at today writing numerical expressions. Last week we did a little bit of work where you were solving numerical expressions. This little step they want is to make can you make one? Can you write one? Can you read a problem? Can you make it? So we're going to walk through, we're going to do a lot of practice because I feel like it's asking a lot. So first thing we have, I'm going to take my pen. I have realized that you can't see the little light thing that shows me where I'm going to write. So I'm going to use my mouse a little more, the cursor. So example one is a whole big word problem. And all they're asking us to do is take out that information. I think we've gone through it many times before. But once again, when we're writing expressions, what we're looking for is M DOS. Right? Parentheses, exponents, multiplication. Sorry, my dog's trying to drink my water. Division, addition, subtraction. All right, here's the story. Sorry, bring this down. Terrell went to dinner with his friends. He ordered 3 tacos. I would take and highlight or circle. Ooh, you guys want to highlight today? That sounds like a good idea. Bought 3 tacos. I'll highlight it. Wait, I'm trying to highlight. Oh, no. Highlight. Highlight. Maybe I can't highlight after. Oh, that's weird. Well, highlighting is not going to happen today. Sorry, guys. Anyways, he ordered 3 tacos. Choose a new color. Each taco costs $2. So we're going to underline that one as well. And he has a coupon for $1 off his purchase. So $1 off his purchase. The total cost in dollars, where'd the cursor go? The total cost in dollars of Terrell's purchase is represented by the phrase, and here's the phrase, right? This is what the whole thing says. Multiply 3 by 2, then subtract 1. Here is today's humongous clue into how to solve these. Remember when we're looking, where do you put a parentheses? Where do I put those brackets? All that. But today I was really want to look at, where do we put parentheses? When you see the word then, that is telling you after, right? Do the first step, then do this. So we know if I want to do a first step, I need to put parentheses around it, right? Even though if I did this one, we could do it either way. I'll show you how it works out in 1 second. I'm going to go to color I'm going to use orange. Write the phrase in 3 parts. Multiply 3 by, so you had 3 tacos, they all cost $2. So 3 tacos would be 2, right? Then subtract, and we have to subtract the $1 off his purchase. So we did that, right? Now, this is asking us, write each part as a numerical expression. Can you write multiply 3 by 2? Well, that shouldn't be tough. 3 by 2. Then subtract 1. That's weird, right? Subtract 1. Now, if I go back, I'm going to write this up here again. You shouldn't. Combine the numerical expression to represent the total cost in dollars. Add parentheses if needed. You could add parentheses, but I don't think we have to, because if we look at this expression, there are no, believe it, there are no exponents. First thing's multiplying. That's the first part in our expression, right? There's no division, there's no adding, and then there's subtracting. So if I did 3 times 2 minus 1, I'm still, when I look at this expression, going to write I'm still going to multiply 3 times 2, which gives me 6. And then I'm going to multiply, or no, subtract the 1 to give me 5. If I wanted to, just because they put the word then in, and anytime I see then, I should add parentheses, I can put 3 times 2. And then this answer will subtract, have 1 subtracted from it. Still going to be the same. 3 times 2 is 6. Then I still subtract 1. My answer should be 5. It's there. They put the then in on that one just for that reason. All right, let's look at the next one. Whoopsie, sorry. I don't know what happened. All right, so once again, PEMDAS. Here's the example. Take it to a baseball game. I'm going to go through and highlight stuff again. Cost $25, so I know there's a 25 in there. Popcorn is $8. Here's the little key part of it that they're going to get you. Then they write this out. Look at, they put numbers for everything else, and then they write this one out. 3 friends bought tickets and popcorn. The expressions below give the cost for 1 friend and then for 3 friends. Compare the 2 expressions without evaluating them. So 1 friend, right, went to a baseball game. He paid the $25. He paid the 8 for the popcorn. Equals there. 3 friends, still the same price, right? Because everyone bought a ticket, everyone bought popcorn. So we're going to add, and then we're going to multiply by 3 so we can figure out what the total is. They put the parentheses here because in the PEMDAS order, multiplication comes first, and you would, if those parentheses weren't there, you would multiply 8 times 3 to give you 24, and then add 25 to give you 49. 49 is not the total because 25 plus 8 is 33 times 3 would be 66. So they put the parentheses around the addition so that you could do that first and then you come to multiply. That's where that then comes in. These parentheses tell me that. All right, so you can write this. We have the expression right there. For 3 friends, the expression is multiplied by 3. We know that. So the expression, the second expression is going to be 3 times as large as the first expression. Okay, so hopefully you're following along with this and keeping up. Write the phrase, add 7 and 11. Here we go. Now we get it. Then divide by 2. So, sorry, pink in there is a strange one. I'll change to a darker one. It's adding right here. That's first. Then divide. But the problem is divide is in the PEMDAS routine before. So we're going to need these parentheses to help add first. So the first one should be 7 plus 11. I would even do this here with the parentheses there. Then part 2 would be to divide by 2. Right. So all of this looks like the same thing. They're just really, really helping you practice. 7 plus 11 parentheses divide by 2. Now, if I follow, I can do the parentheses first. I don't have exponents. I don't have multiplication. I already took care of that addition, and then I'm just going to divide. This lovely purple thing. 7 plus 11, 18. Divided by 2. Cut 18 in half. I end up at 9. Hopefully this is working out for you guys. So they're just asking, remember, remember, remember. Look at then. If you write PEMDAS at the top, you should be able to take care of these. Divide 15 by 3, then add 13. Now, for today, I would continue. When you see then, put whatever is before then in parentheses and then follow it out. Because this one you wouldn't have to, this one you do, this one you do as well. So do those, take go through this practice one here, independent practice. Send me pictures. I'll let you know if you're doing it. Go in here too and see. This gets into something way different, area and volume, but it should be writing expressions. All right, guys. That was math for part 2. Hopefully it helps everybody out. Guys,